In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a trainer in Assassin's Creed Rogue. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the trainer exe. Select yes option. Start the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna turn on this fast movement speed. Click on this right arrow and you can change the speed. I set it to 2 times and then turn on the cheat. Once you turn on the cheats you like to use, get back to the game. Now the normal walk 2 times faster, running 2 times faster. The cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.